Well, my family has a history of bad teeth, and it's really devastating when you're young and you have to get your teeth pulled. I brushed my teeth all the time. I wore braces for 6 years. I mean, my mom and dad put a lot of money into my mouth too, and not being able to smile, that's not why they did that. It's kind of depressing in a way. I realized that you always need to check around and not just going in your hometown or close to your hometown. You may need to drive to get what is the best. I mean, once you have a bad experience with a dentist, it's hard to go back. But when I came here, I tell you, I could just tell by the workers, his employers, people working with him, that this was the place for me. Because I felt it, when you found the right person. When you find the right dentist, There's several options of sedation. You don't have to be sedated. And when I heard oral sedation on the television, I was excited. And it was the best because whenever I hear the sound of the drill or the air, or they want me to open my mouth, I would just cringe automatically. And the oral sedation was the best. I don't remember anything. My mouth does not hurt. I'm not swollen. I just had it done yesterday and I'm here today. I'm happy, I smile, I could eat. I ate last night, so yeah, I'm good. My little girl looking at me yesterday after she got home from school going, "Mom, you look so pretty." So yeah, if that doesn't bring tears to your eyes. I can smile, I can be myself like I used to be. I'm Shannon again. Don't wait, just go do it. I mean, they're flexible. Just go talk to them. They'll help you out. They'll tell you what's the best and what you shouldn't wait on and what you should wait on. Just go do it while you're younger. I wish I would have came in years ago, so.